Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the top 5 steam ovens on the market right now. Whether you're looking for healthier cooking options, versatile functionality, or premium performance, we've got you covered. Stick around as we rank these ovens from number 5 to number 1 to help you make the best choice for your kitchen. And don't forget, you can find links to all the products in the description below. So, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Ciarra 8-in-1 Air Fryer Steam Oven. This compact yet versatile oven is perfect for singles or couples, offering an impressive array of functions including steam, air fry, bake, dehydrate, and even ferment. Its 12-liter capacity is great for small meals, fitting items like an 8-inch pizza or a 4.5-pound chicken. The standout feature here is its steam functionality, which locks in nutrients and flavors for healthier, tastier meals. In terms of design, the Ciarra boasts a sleek white finish and a compact footprint, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. The rapid preheat system is 30% faster than traditional ovens, which is a huge time saver. The included accessories, like the air fry basket and baking pan, add value to the package. However, the lower wattage, 1100 watts, means you might experience slightly longer cooking times for larger items. In terms of design, the Ciarra boasts a sleek white finish and a compact footprint, making it ideal for smaller kitchens including steam, air fry basket, and baking pan. The standout feature here is its steam functionality, which locks in nutrients and flavors for healthier, an awesome thing to find in the market. However, the lower wattage 1100 watts means you might experience slightly longer cooking times for larger items. The lower wattage 1100 watts means you might experience slightly longer cooking times for larger. While the Ciarra is a budget-friendly option, its smaller capacity and limited power may not suit families or avid bakers. It's best for people who want a multifunctional oven without taking up too much counter space. Pros include its compact design, versatile functionality, and nutrient-preserving steam mode. On the downside, it's less powerful and suited for smaller meals. Coming in at number 4 is the Fotile ChefCubii 4-in-1 Convection Steam Oven. This oven stands out with its truly versatile cooking options, boasting 40 preset menus and functions that include steam bake, air fry, broil, and dehydrate. One of its key highlights is the steam self-clean feature, which makes maintenance a breeze. The ChefCubii also emphasizes healthier cooking by preserving nutrients and minimizing the need for added oils. Its design is sleek and modern, with a white finish and a large see-through window for easy monitoring. The portable water tank and 3-layered drop-down door add convenience, while its precise temperature control, 86 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodates a variety of cooking styles. However, with a 1 cubic foot capacity, it's on the smaller side, limiting its use for larger dishes or family-sized meals. The Fotile ChefCubii is ideal for health-conscious individuals who value ease of use and built-in presets for effortless cooking. Pros include its multifunctionality, steam self-cleaning, and nutrient-preserving cooking method. On the downside, its smaller size and heavier weight might not appeal to everyone. It's best suited for light to medium cooking needs in smaller households. At number 3, we have the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven, a mid-range powerhouse that offers an impressive combination of steam and air fry capabilities. With its 16-quart capacity, this oven is perfect for family meals, accommodating up to 5 pounds of chicken or a 5-pound roast. Its standout features include adjustable moisture control, precision temperature settings, 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and 120 presets that simplify gourmet cooking. The stainless steel design is both durable and easy to clean, while its intuitive LED controls make operations straightforward. The Combi mode allows you to steam and air fry simultaneously, delivering juicy interiors and crispy exteriors for restaurant-quality results. Plus, the sous vide functionality doesn't require bags, making it eco-friendly and convenient. However, at 21.4 pounds, it's a bit bulky and might require more counter space. This oven is ideal for families or food enthusiasts who want versatile cooking options without compromising on quality. Pros include its large capacity, precision controls, and multifunctionality. On the downside, its size and weight might be less suitable for compact kitchens. Overall, it's a great value for those seeking a mid-tier option with advanced features. Taking the number 2 spot is the Steami 11-in-1 convection air fryer by Nutricook. This steam oven offers incredible versatility with its 11 cooking modes, including steam bake, air fry, dehydrate, and sterilize. With a spacious 25-quart capacity, it's perfect for larger families or those who love hosting dinner parties. Whether you're roasting a chicken, baking a cake, or making pizza, the Steami has you covered. The stainless steel design is both modern and durable, and the digital display makes it easy to navigate through its various features. The moisture-locking steam technology ensures tender, flavorful results every time, making it an upgrade from traditional ovens. Its easy-to-clean components, including a removable water tank, add convenience to your cooking experience. However, while it offers excellent value, it doesn't have the advanced presets or precision controls seen in higher-end models. The Steami is an excellent choice for those prioritizing capacity and versatility at an affordable price. Pros include its large capacity, multifunctionality, and user-friendly design. Cons include the lack of advanced presets and slightly less precise temperature controls. It's perfect for families or anyone needing a reliable, spacious steam oven. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nuwave 16-Cute combination air fryer and steam oven, the premium option that truly delivers on all fronts. This all-in-one countertop cooker offers unmatched versatility, with features like adjustable moisture control, 10 to 90%, precision temperature settings, 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and 120 chef-design presets. With its X-Crispy function and smart steam infusion, you get perfectly juicy meats with a golden brown crunch every time. The design is sleek and compact despite its generous 16-quart capacity, making it suitable for both small and large kitchens. The intuitive LED controls and dishwasher-safe components make it a breeze to use and clean. Whether you're baking artisan bread, air frying crispy snacks, or sous vide cooking without the need for bags, this oven consistently delivers professional quality results. Its only downside is the higher price point, which may be a stretch for some budgets. This steam oven is perfect for food enthusiasts, large families, or anyone who wants top-tier performance and versatility. Pros include its advanced features, precise controls, and premium build quality. Cons include the premium price and slightly heavier build. If you're looking for the ultimate steam oven experience, the Nuwave combination air fryer and steam oven is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect steam oven for your needs. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.